The ALTI Ascend sets a new standard for small, compact, unmanned aircraft, with the world's longest endurance of any vertical takeoff and landing fixed wing in its class. With an incredible 6 hours of real-world endurance, the Ascend flies for more than 5 times longer than its closest competitor and is able to operate in high winds and demanding conditions, with unmatched performance and reliability. With the ALTI Ascend, you can take off and land anywhere and capture the data you need when you need it, effectively and affordably. The ALTI Command and Control Station includes long-range video and data links that allow for complete aircraft control with a click of the mouse button. Whether it's high-resolution mapping, security and surveillance, or search and rescue, fly further, fly longer, fly the ALTI Ascend, the new benchmark for endurance VTOL aircraft.